Hello guys, this is Forex Trend Following Academy. In today's video, I just want to share with you the most profitable Forex scalping strategy. This is used by so many successful traders who are making six figures within a year. So I want to show you how you can follow the simple steps and also start making money. I'm not going to promise you that you are going to make millions overnight, but with discipline and patience and hard work, I'm sure everything is possible. So what I want to expose to you today is the most accurate Forex scalping indicator. This is a non-repainting premium indicator. So if you guys have watched up to this far, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you get more of these strategies each and every time. So I've used this Forex scalping strategy to pass FTMO challenges and get funded so many times. That's why I decided let me share it with you guys today, since you have been following me for quite some time. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. So as you can see, there's a lot of trades that I placed today. Scalping involves taking trades in and out within few minutes, few seconds, or an hour, but within the same day. So right now, I want to just take this sell trade so that I explain the reason I'm taking the trade. All right, so this system is actually made up of four parts. The first part of the system is this trend confirmation that you see down here. So if you find that, like in this case, the trend confirmation is red, which means we are only looking for sell signals. And then the second part of the system is made out of this sell zone up, you see there. This red zone here, this is a sell zone. That's the second part of the trading system. So the third part of the system is the buy zone, which you see here, which is the blue zone. So the fourth part of the system is these arrows that you see. So these are the trading signals that you are going to follow. So in this case, on this example, you can see that the trend confirmation is red, which means we are only going to look for sell signals. So for us to take the trade, first of all, it has to get in this sell zone. All right, once it gets in the sell zone, wait for an arrow to tell us that this is a down, this is a sell signal. And then we place the sell trade like what I just did right now. In the stop loss, you are going to put it above the previous swing, which is this one right here. And then your take profit is supposed to be down here. It's supposed to touch the buy zone. If it's a sell trade, it's supposed to touch the buy zone, the first line of the buy zone right here. So you can already see that this is a very good risk reward ratio, because I'm risking only 5 pips and I'm trying to make at least about 8 pips, about 12 pips. So you can see that the other trade is already closed. I'm not sure which one, but let's just go to the account history. Okay, so our first trade for today was a loss, which was a USD card. That's why I'm actually taking this re-entry, because the first signal I followed was this one. My stop loss was just above this swing and we got hit right here. That's why I had to wait for another signal right here, and then I placed the sell trade right here. You can see it's deep down in profit now. So the pound USD has already closed in profit 950, and our loss, you can see, it's just a 360. So you should pay attention to this commission. Look for a broker that has got very tight spreads and also very low commissions. All right, so our second trade that we took today was a winning trade. So this is the third trade, which is out USD. So let's quickly go to out USD. You can see this was a buy position, it's still running. So I want to show you how a buy position looks like. So the buy position, we first want to see if the trend confirmation is blue, which confirms that this is a bullish trend. And then we also want to take a buy position only if the price gets in this buy zone. All right, so once we take our buy trade, like in this case, we ended the trade right here just before I started recording. Right here we ended the trade here, and our stop loss is below this previous swing, and our target is up here, which is about almost 15 pips, about 1.5. So we let the trades run. As you can see, there's a potential, because the winners are big and we're using a very good risk reward ratio. So the fourth trade that we took was there's another trade that closed right now. I think it's a stop loss that was hit. Let's quickly go and check that one. This was a pound Australian dollar. So pound Australian dollar, this was a sell signal. All right, so as you can see right here, we took our sell right here, and the market is actually changing the direction. You can see even the blue is starting to form right here, which means we are not going to re-enter this one unless it changes from blue to red, and then we also get a sell signal in this sell zone. So this is part of trading. You're not going to win all the trades. So this is not a valid signal. I can see there was a sell signal right here in the sell zone, but if you check down here, this is a bullish trend. All right, so this is not a valid signal. We're going to leave this one. All right, this is another good example where we are going to place our trade. So you can see this is a bullish momentum, right? A bullish trend. What we need is the price to give us to touch this. Is for the price to touch the buy zone and also give us a buy signal right here. So in this case, we're going to place our first buy trade right here on this arrow here. All right, we're going to place our buy trade right here and put our stop loss just below this swing, which was almost about, I don't think it's 5 pips. This is about 3.2 pips. All right, so our stop loss was going to get hit right here, and then we're going to try and re-enter somewhere around here, and you use this one, the previous swing, as the stop loss just below, which also went up all the way up to hit our take profit here, which was 14 pips, 14.8. So you can see it's almost 1:3 on this one, but we missed the trade, so we are not going to talk about this one. Let's just skip this one. This is the trade that I took right now when you were watching. This is a USD card, so you can see that it's working out for us. So in this case, you can also see that there were a lot of other signals back here, like this one right here. Okay, I don't know why this line keeps on popping up the way it does. All right, so you can see that we're supposed to take our sell right here and put our stop loss above right here. All right, above this is almost 3 pips. I normally like to put around 5 pips, somewhere around here. The same way I did, this is the same entry that we took right here, and it's above right here, almost 4 pips. All right, and right now you can see this trade has already been running in profit for about let's see, it's already 6 pips. So if I was targeting 1:1, I was going to close the trade right now. So as you improve, you are going to see that there's a lot of potential, and you can actually exit the trades even before the take profit was hit. Like in this case, you can see now it's going to start going back. It's just, or maybe it's just a correction, but since we have a stop loss and we are following a trading style or a trading system, I can choose to just leave it run so that I demonstrate the power of this trading system. So there was also another trade that was closed right there. I don't know what just happened now. Or is the price going back up from 900? Now it's almost 80 bucks. So I think it was wise for me to close this one. But anyways, you are not going to win all the trades. Some of them are going to work out, some they won't. So let's just quickly check. There was another loss, is it? No, it's only the 2 losses and then 1 win. That's all we have for now. So using your money management, you can actually, like when you see that you have lost, like in this case, you can see that we had a negative of about 153. All right, you know, when you are taking a challenge, you don't want to be losing. So this one was already 900 in profit. I was just supposed to close it so that I maintain the drawdown for the day, and then I will let the other trades run. All right, so this is how we are going to recover. But at the same time, if you let the trade run, you can find out you can lose maybe about 4 trades, and then that one big or those 2 big trades that you are going to win are going to cover back. Like in this case, if this one wins, it's going to give us almost 800. Is it 800? I don't know what's happening here. I thought this trade was around 900 in profit. What just happened? There's something that happened, was it? Okay, it was 900 in profit, maybe here on the total. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but I'll see when I replay the video. So this one was also deep down in profit right here, 5 pips. If I was using a 1:1, I could have closed this one in profit as well. But I'm going to let these trades run. I'm trying to figure out what happened because I thought I saw a 900 somewhere. And there's no setup. There's no, okay, this is the current trade. Here, there's no setup. Here, there's no setup. There's no setup. Okay, even this one had also gone back. Oh, that's the same one. This one has gone back. So all of them, they were deep in profit, and then they just decide to turn back. There's no setup. There's no setup. Here, I think there's a possible, no, there's no setup. This is a bullish trend, and we are in the sell zone, so there's no setup. So I just need to pause the video and try to wait for any setup when it comes or when it pops up, and then I'll come back and show you guys. So after pausing the video for a while, we are back, and we are back in profit again. I think now we are about 1.8 in profit. So I also decided to add some few other currency pairs. I've added, like, let's just put this one here. Okay, I've added CAD JPY, pound and Swiss franc, then euro AUD. I can see a trade opportunity right here. You can see it's in the sell zone, and also the trend confirmation is a bearish trend, which means we are going to look for a sell trade. And also we have this arrow right here. So let's just try to take another trade right now. This is a sell, and let's put our stop loss. This one is almost too close. That's about 2 pips, and I can see my spread also is almost around there, so I can't use a 2 pip stop loss. I rather go to the previous one, which is this one here, which is almost 6 pips right there. So I'll just put just above to accommodate the spread. So my take profit, as always, is going to be down here. So I also forgot to mention that when you are trading using this system, you should first check if there's any news that is happening. If there's news, you don't trade news time, like high impact news or maybe the medium impact news. You don't trade during those times, because the spread will widen, and also the market will be moving sideways too much, so you may not get the opportunity that you are looking for. So I recommend that you trade the London session and also the New York session. So if you guys want to get this trading system after watching this video, I've put my email address on the screen. You can tell me which system you are looking for, and then I'll direct you how to get it. So don't forget to hit that like button before you contact me. So thank you so much guys for watching this video up to this far. I'll try and pause the video again and wait for the trades to run, and then I'll come back and show you after a couple of minutes, because I don't want the trade to be the video to be running for a very long time. Or maybe I'll just have to fast forward the video instead. So let me let the video run, and then I'll just fast forward the video. So as you can see, this system can actually help you to readjust the take profit or the stop loss. So I decided to close it manually because it has actually touched right here on the first zone, on the first line of the buy zone. This was a sell trade, so that's the reason why I closed the trade with 11 pips. So if we go to the profits, you can see that the trade was closed manually with $600, this one right here. All right, so let's quickly go back and look for other opportunities as well. This one is also readjusted. So what it does, it readjusts if it feels like or it calculates the momentum in the market. That's what it determines how you are going to place those take profits. But as you can see, it's still in the red zone, so I can even leave it there and let it run up until we touch this zone right here. But as you can see, it has reduced, but it's still a good risk reward ratio, because if you calculate right here from here to here, this is about 5 pips, and this trade is already running 5 pips in profit. And if I want now, I can even reduce it to here, since there's now another this is now the previous swing right here. All right, so if I wanted to be trailing the trade, I'll go and put my stop loss here. All right, but I just want you to, as a newbie, I want someone like who is just starting, who doesn't know how to use the trailing stop loss, when to do it, just to set and forget. So I just want to demonstrate using the power of the trading system itself. So I'll just let it run, and if the stop loss is hit, or if it gets close to this zone and then give me a sell signal before it touches there, if I get this sell signal, the sell arrow, I'm going to close the trade. So this is scalping. You need to be monitoring the trades. So you can see this trade was actually running for a couple of minutes, because we are setting our charts on M1. I think we placed the buy, what was the time right there? Let's check. This is New Zealand USD. Okay, we opened this trade at around 10:00, and then right now, if you go to the chart, we want to see right now it's about 10:39. So as you can see, it's in the zone, so we can actually close this one. This is a Euro New Zealand right there. We can close this one as well. So let's quickly go and check add USD if there's any improvement. Okay, add USD is still giving us the potential that it's going to keep on going up, so we can readjust to here. Is almost 1.3 about 13 pips in profit. And as you can see, this trade is now created another swing right here, and it's deep in profit. If I want, I could just close it even now, because I have actually made we don't want to let the winners turn into losses, but for the demonstration of this video, right now there's something interesting. You see the arrow is just formed, is trying to form again. So I'm not going to close this one because I think it's more like another confirmation that it might keep on going up. So I'm going to let it just go a little bit up so that we close in good profits. So scalping is actually getting in and out of the market very quickly, placing a lot of trades, and also just targeting very small gains. This is the one we took that other time. So you can see that it was still going to hit our take profit, which was below here. If you remember very well, our take profit was let's go to the USD card. This is the one we just closed manually. The take profit, the initial take profit, I think it was around 37.10. Right now it's at 37.8 right here. It's at 37.8, so you can see the take profit was going to hit. So what it does, the system, it keeps on tracking and recalculating to see the best possible entry or the best exit. So in this case, okay, we missed a few because we closed at around, so was 37.10 the take profit, but as I think we closed at the 37.13.7, which means 4 pips. We missed about 4 pips here, so it's not much, but let's just keep on looking for other trading signals. There's no chance. All right, here there's no signal. There's no signal. Let's go back to the trades to see. I'm thinking of exiting this one. Let's just quickly check again if so guys, you might be wondering how to avoid taking other signals. This is the same thing. You follow the simple rules that I gave you in the first. That in this case, for this example, you can see that the pound USD, it gave a false signal right here. In fact, it went up in profit about 3 pips, and then it came back to hit maybe the stop loss if it was below here. The same applies was going to happen here. Maybe we're going to lose 1-2 here. But don't forget, this scalping method is actually giving you an advantage that whenever you're going to make big money. Like in this case, you're going to end at this buy right here at the bottom, and our stop loss was going to be about, suppose you can see the previous swing was less than 3 pips, but we're going to put at least about 5 pips or maybe just around 4 pips right there. So you should also try to choose a broker that doesn't have most of them which do not have the spreads, like where the spread is 0. So you can see this one from here to end up all the way now, it's around the 30 pips just by risking almost 3 pips here. So it's almost 1:10 on this one, which is very interesting. And you're going to ignore all these signals, all right? Because once you take this trade right here, as long as the take profit is not hit, the take profit is not hit, or the stop loss is not hit, there's no need for you to be readjusting this trade, even if you get these other signals, because this is a non-repainting signal, so they are going to stay there even if they are wrong or if they are not. So let's quickly just jump in and try to see. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I don't want to make it very long because it will be boring and I'll get bad ratings on YouTube, because a lot of you won't be watching the full video anyways. So I just want to make this video very short. If you want to get this trading system, I'm just going to close these trades manually, or I'll let them run, but I'm going to stop the recording now.